Public health experts say they are on edge after the Food and Drug Administration canceled an advisory meeting last week.
Now, that meeting happens every year. It brings in experts nationwide to discuss research for the next flu vaccine. Our Merrill Hubbard shows us what it means for Wisconsin.
In Wisconsin, data shows there's been about double the amount of influenza-related hospitalizations this year compared to last. This line right here, the pink one, represents the amount of flu-related hospitalizations, with a large spike happening within the first couple weeks of 2025. With this in mind, public health officials say the need for this yearly advisory meeting is urgent.
It really is important since you're looking at the data to determine the flu strain for the next season.
Maureen Buzalaki is the president of the Wisconsin Public Health Association.
By canceling this meeting, it really calls into question how they're going to get all of this information and data to the manufacturers in time.
The flu vaccine is updated every year.
When these kinds of decisions are being made, it's really important that we do have public health at the table.
The FDA notified experts last week that the meeting scheduled for March was canceled, and experts say it's still unclear why.
It sort of signals that, maybe the administration is not as interested in hearing from experts who, for many years, have been able to inform government officials on how best to protect Americans' health.
Ajay Sathi is a UW-Madison professor in population health sciences.
Things are getting derailed unnecessarily. That's not to say that we won't have a flu shot this fall.
He says the World Health Organization had a similar meeting last week to determine what strains should be tackled in the updated vaccine.
It's possible that the FDA will simply pick the strains that the World Health Organization has already decided.
In Wisconsin, there's been an uptick in flu-related deaths and a decrease in vaccinations this year.
This season's kind of a good reminder of how important it is to get a flu shot.
Experts say that this year's flu season can continue until May and that it's not too late to get your flu shot.